Lock in, lock in. I'm about to show you exactly how to put the 200 moving average indicator on your TradingView chart. But
today's video, I want to go over how I use the 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart to catch high probability trades. For anyone new here, yes, I day trade live sometimes. I give out free game. I'm just here marking my trading journey, guys. So today I just want to share something that's been working for me lately. The 200 moving average on the 1 hour chart. Honestly, it's been helping me catch some clean plays. So I figured I would break it down and just give it to y'all, man. So for me, 200 moving average is like a trend detector. Let me show y'all right quick. So right here, let me go ahead and get on that screen. You know we gotta get on them charts, baby. You know I love them charts. So right here, anytime on a 1 hour chart you see the 200 moving average and you see price sitting above the 200 moving average, you know we bullish. So it's gonna tell you, hey, we in a bullish trend. Anytime we get under this 200 moving average, like right here and right here, you know we in a bearish trend. We downtrend. So that's how I catch a lot of trends, and that's how I figure out which way is the trend going for that particular day. So y'all know I use all kind of indicators, but this one just make it real simple for me. The 200 moving average, y'all know I always call this moving average Debo. I treat it like Debo. When you see that moving average approaching, you want to watch out for price. You want to get out of the way. You want to see what's going on before you enter a trade, or if you in a trade, you know what I'm saying? So if you ever see price chopping around this area, this 200 moving average area, you always want to watch out, slow it down, get out of certain plays. You don't want to just sit there and get chopped around when we sitting around them chop zones. So like right around here, we chopping around the 200 moving average. Right around here, we chopping around. You wanted to come up off that 200 moving average to show you which way the trend is going, and for it to get up off of them. It's basically showing you the moving average for the last 200 days. So anytime we get around that moving average, a lot of buyers and sellers, they get confused because they don't know what they want to do. They trying to see what price is going, just like we trying to see what price is going. So once price gets around that 200 moving average, you want to wait for it to get below or above the 200 moving average before you get any entries. So here's how I've been using the 200 moving average for entries. I usually stick to trading with the direction of the 1 hour trend. So if the trend is up, I watch for the dips near the 200 moving average. If it's down, I watch for the pullbacks into the moving average itself. It's more like context. So I still like to check smaller time frame, like the 5 minute. Still use the 2 minute sometime, but I'm kind of pushing away from the 2 minute. I kind of just been liking sticking to the 5 minute when day trading options, man. Day trading options. I kind of like to stick to the 5 minute. Anytime after like 11 o'clock, I use a 10-minute chart. But still, sometimes if I'm using this 10-minute chart, I'll sometimes go to the 5-minute chart to get an entry, unless the 10-minute chart is just looking great. So yes, I still take time frames, candle structures, support and resistance. Y'all know I love support and resistance. You know, I got my levels right here, baby. I love support and resistance. I still use those along with using the 200 moving average just for confluence. Let me get it off the chart because I know it's probably blind to some of y'all. All right. I know this simple rule has kept me out of a lot of unnecessary volatile, a lot of losses. So if price is below it and it pulls back towards it but struggles or wicks out, you probably want to take a short. On the flip side, if the price is above it, pulls back but holds and bounces, that's usually a cue to go long. Just like right here. This happened about 2 days ago. We came up to the 200 moving average right here on the 1 hour. We got up above it. We did bounce off it right here, as you can see. We bounced off it a little bit right there, but we got up above it. Now we can go long. As soon as we got up above it, we got strength above it. Wait for a pullback, go long. You just joining the trend. All you waiting for is a pullback. So I don't take this setup every day, just whenever it feels clean. So another thing that's been helping me when the price is chopping around the 200 moving average, I sit out. Don't even do nothing. Don't do nothing. I've learned the hard way. Trust me, I ain't gonna trade no sideways market. But when the price moves clear above or below, the setups tend to hit better for me. 200 moving average is not a magic number. It's just helping me avoid trades that feel messy or low probability. I wrote down 8 steps. I'll tell you guys 8 steps I'm looking for when I'm using this in my system. So first, we want to mark key levels and support and resistance zones. So you always want to still do that. You still want to drop down to the 5 or 15-minute candles. There's nothing wrong with still dropping down on these time frames, but still only want to take the trades in the direction of the 1 hour trend. All right, so you want to set stops around the structure, not no emotion. So you want to actually have stop losses. If y'all look at all my live trading videos, you see anytime I get in a trade, I got a stop loss. I got a profit target. I'm telling you wherever I'm going. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing before I even get into the trade. I know what I'm doing. Make sure you take profits around a logical zone. So if you get into play and you see a high day coming up, take a little profit off a higher day. Don't try to ride it out, man. Trust me, man. Take a little profit out higher day, certain zone, high of ORB or something like that. But it's just been working for me lately, man. Y'all can, hey, take it or leave it. Y'all know what I say. Take it or leave it. It's just been working for me. It keeps trading simple, man, and it helps me stick to the trends without even overcomplicating things.
All right, guys, lock in. I'm about to show you exactly how to put the 200 moving average indicator on your TradingView chart. But first, I want to show you exactly a play from today. Today is December the 1st, 2025. I actually caught this play this morning. The market opened up with a gap down. A small strategy I'll show you guys. It's called a sucker strategy. When you see the market gap down, a lot of suckers think that the market is going to keep going down, but you see the pre-market low holds, you can actually use that as a resistance and go long. And that's what I did. I went long as soon as the market opened up. And guess what we went up to and stopped at? The 200 moving average. And you could have called a put play soon as we touched the 200 moving average. That's why I like the 200 moving average. So real quick, I'm gonna show you how to put the indicator on your actual TradingView chart. So go to indicators, type in 200 moving average. My bad, type in simple moving average. It's right here. I already got it as my favorite, so I'm not even gonna click it. But you want to click that. Once you go over, you want to go over to settings. So in settings, copy it just like you see it. You want to put the length in 200. That's the most important part. Put that 200 where the link says. Everything else, fill it in just how you see it right here. Style, you want the color to be gold, bright gold. Mine dotted and kind of big so I can actually see it on the chart. And for visibility, you want to keep all these checked because you want to be able to see this 200 moving average on the 5 minute, the 10 minute, the 1 hour, the daily. You want to be able to see this on every chart that you pull up. All right, man, it's your boy Clark. And that's how you put that indicator on your chart.
That's how I've been using 200 moving average. Yes, I still been day trading. I still been catching plays. I just ain't really been live. I got jewelry to do tomorrow. Shoot, I mean, I done moved. We bought a new house, man. I just been going a lot of stuff going on. Good stuff though, but I'm still trading, man. We still here, man. But this is just my approach. Nothing fancy. Just that 200 moving average. It's been working for me, man. That's just been working for me, and I want to share it to you guys. As you know, I've been saying this the whole time. I mark my journey on my YouTube channel. So if you're new to the channel, hey, subscribe. If you want to see more of my trading journey, live trades, or what's working for me, hit that subscribe button. Hey, drop a comment and tell me what's been helping y'all lately. That's what's been helping me lately in this Trump market. He been having the market going up and down. But I do have another video of what I've been hitting on SPX, man. I got a new strategy on SPX I want to show you guys, man. But man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, man. All right.